Did you hear the latest buzz about the Redmi phone? Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi has added a new budget smartphone to its lineup, the Redmi Note 12 4G variant. Starting from noon on April 6th, you can purchase the Redmi Note 12 4G variant from a variety of authorized retailers including mi.com, Flipkart, Mi Home, Mi Studio and authorized retail partners. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon 685 processor. The Redmi Note 12 packs a punch with a large and high-quality 6.67-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display that boasts an impressive 120Hz refresh rate. The Redmi Note 12 is now up for grabs at a starting price of 14,999 rupees for the 6GB plus 64GB model and 16,999 rupees for the 6GB plus 128GB variant.